Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to bleed your Jeep Wrangler cooling system. First, ensure your Jeep is parked on a level surface and the engine is completely cool to prevent burns. Carefully remove the radiator cap to expose the coolant fill neck. Next, check your coolant reservoir. If the level is low, add the appropriate coolant mixture until it reaches the full mark. This initial step is crucial for a successful bleed. Now, slowly fill the radiator with the correct coolant mixture until it's completely full. Once filled, start your Jeep's engine and immediately set the cabin heater to its highest temperature and fan speed. This helps open the heater core, allowing coolant to circulate through that part of the system. Let the engine run for about 15 to 20 minutes, keeping a close eye on the coolant level in the radiator. As the engine runs, you'll likely see air bubbles escaping. To help this process, gently squeeze the upper and lower radiator hoses. This action helps burp any stubborn air pockets out of the system. Continuously add coolant to the radiator as the level drops, ensuring it remains full. Keep repeating this squeezing and filling process until you no longer see any air bubbles rising to the surface. This indicates most of the air is out. Once you're confident all the air is bled, turn off the engine and allow it to cool completely. Then, replace the radiator cap securely and recheck the coolant reservoir level, topping it off if necessary. Over the next few days, keep an eye on your coolant levels to ensure no more air pockets have settled. A properly bled system prevents overheating and maintains engine health. Also, for a fresh ride, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.